RoboForm is one of the oldest password managers around, but with a fresh new design and interface, can it still keep up in 2026? Let's get right into today's RoboForm review to find out. So the recent performance updates and tweaks that they made mean that the app and landing page layouts have an even cleaner and more modern design. Now, everything is neatly organized, and navigating through the settings and features is intuitive and beginner-friendly, putting it on par amongst some of the other best password manager providers on the market. And despite being nearly 27 years old, RoboForm isn't giving up its throne anytime soon and is clearly continuing to evolve. Aside from a shiny new setup, RoboForm also has what it takes to keep your personal data safe thanks to the use of the strong AES 256 encryption. Since this algorithm literally scrambles your data, therefore making it 100% unreadable to any outside onlookers. RoboForm's use of zero-knowledge architecture means that you're the only person who can ever read or access your data. And this is only possible by using the secret key, aka master password, that you'll create during registration. After that, all decryption happens locally on your device as opposed to on a random server. And because this app contains your most precious passwords, having two-factor authentication methods is a must. You can choose between confirming your identity through email, SMS, or an authenticator app under the security tab. Then just enter the code that's sent to those locations. RoboForm also supports passkeys, which are one of the most robust and convenient ways to log in since they use biometric validation and confirm that both your device and server are legit before granting access. RoboForm also keeps a list of trusted devices, and the use of hardware security keys makes it easy to see if anyone is ever trying to log in via a foreign device. So just scan this QR code on screen to get the best deal. The RoboForm discount code is applied automatically, so you're getting the best price per value. Okay, so far in this RoboForm review, we've seen that the app has a new interface, but still packs in all of its traditional security measures that keep you safe. So does that mean that the features have also stayed consistent in 2026? So one of my personal favorites, the autofill feature, is just as handy as ever. It's accessible via the browser extension and lets you store information such as passwords and credit card details within RoboForm. After that, anytime you need to fill out online account forms, you can have the autofill feature just instantly do it for you with a single click. Now, the password generator is also available in both the browser extension and app, which is a super efficient way to custom create passwords according to your preferred length and strength. As I mentioned earlier, passkeys are available through RoboForm, so you can add the biometric login to any sites that also support this function. So this password-free option lets you choose between logging in with Face ID, fingerprint scan, or just a one-tap approval. And to ensure that all of your sensitive data has a safe place to be stored, RoboForm also includes a safe notes feature. It's like the Notes app on your phone, but since it's encrypted, information such as ID numbers, medical data, and Wi-Fi passwords is stored privately. So keep in mind, whenever you make a change within RoboForm, it automatically syncs the updates across all the devices that you're logged in on simultaneously. The app is also equipped with data breach monitoring. With this, you add up to 5 email addresses, and the feature will scan the web to see if any of your credentials have been involved in a breach. So if your data has been exposed, you'll be notified, and RoboForm shows you exactly which password or email address it was, and then offers advice on securing your affected accounts. The Security Center feature, however, actually helps you prevent your information from ever being breached in the first place. Here, you can view any passwords that have been flagged as weak, reused, or compromised. Now, sharing all of your passwords and data with other RoboForm or family members only requires clicking a few buttons. And to make sure that your online experience is as streamlined as possible, the form filling feature lets you save pre-filled forms such as payment fields, addresses, and personal details, so later the app will write them for you with a single click. All right, now that we've secured the app from head to toe, let's quickly run through the pros and cons of this RoboForm Review 2026. The pros. It nails the security trifecta thanks to its strong encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, and third-party audits. Plus, there have been no known breaches for decades. So in addition to the convenient form filling feature, there's also safe notes, password-free account entry, reliable offline access, data breach monitoring and alerts, and a no logs policy. All right, but looking at the drawbacks, the free version is limited to one device. It lacks the multi-device sync feature, as well as other advanced functions. I also noticed that autofill is a bit slow and sometimes lags compared to other rivals. What's more, manual tweaks are occasionally needed for things like syncing or form mapping. Now, aside from these few minor cons, this app is a solid way to keep your passwords safe, and you can get a subscription at the lowest price possible by using the RoboForm coupon code via the link in the description. So as I said, the free plan is quite bare bones and only includes basic password storage and autofill, while the premium plan offers full features such as device syncing, advanced 2FA, secure sharing and form filling, and a lot more. Then the family plan is ideal for anyone who wants to cover 5 users under the same roof. So to sum it up quickly, it's been 27 years, but clearly RoboForm is still relevant in 2026. So if you're looking for a trustworthy, secure app that can protect your passwords and pack in plenty of convenient features, this password manager, it's a great option for individual users and families alike. All right, be sure to check the description for my RoboForm promo code to save some money, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.